Hey friend, welcome back. Back. Okay, I'm done playing, but welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. I hope all of you guys are doing well. I just wanted to come on and do a quick video updating you on the Kiss lashes. I still have them on right now. Today is Thursday, so I've had them on for a week and 5 days, so almost 2 weeks that I've had these nails on. I've had to replace 2 nails. They didn't necessarily pop off, however they were lifting. Like this one is lifting right now. I don't know if you can see that. They were lifting, and I would just pop it off and replace it, because you don't want to just leave it like that, because water can get trapped in, food can get trapped in, a lot of nastiness can get trapped in it. So I would just take them off and replace them, because there's so many nails in the pack. It comes with 28, so you can just easily replace them. Another thing that I can update you on is the chrome. The chrome polish definitely chips. Sorry, I'm not flipping you the bird, but it just happened to be on this finger. If you can see, like, it's stripping right here, and that started probably like 3 days after I had it on. So keep that into consideration if you decide to get the chrome. I'm not gonna get the chrome, anything with chrome polish like this, and again, because I'm not that into the chrome polish. It looks okay, you know, as a nice accent nail, but I'm not that into the chrome. What else can I update you on? The shape kind of faded just a little. It was a little bit more pointy when I got it. Now they're a lot more rounded on the tips, which I don't mind. I actually prefer it. Okay. Yesterday I lost 2 diamonds, and that was a week and 4 days in. Keep in mind, these nails were $10.99 from Walgreens. I mean, if they lasted 5 days, I feel like that's worth it. So at a week and 4 days in, I lost diamonds on this nail. I lost 2, so you can kind of see that. But overall, I really love these nails. I'm going to remove them today because I do have new nails. I actually have a Ulta haul coming up for you guys. During Ulta's, they had a spring haul sale, so I brought a couple Kiss lashes. I'm waiting for one to come in the package. For some reason, they decided to ship that one pair of nails separately. So I'm waiting for that to come in, then I can do a haul for you guys and show you the ones that I got. And by the time that video comes out, I'll have a new set. I mean, I really love this. I don't think I'm gonna get my nails done again at a shop. Maybe for a special occasion. Maybe if I feel like splurging a little bit, or I feel like, treating myself. Then again, I can just go to Ulta and treat myself to like a bag of nails, honestly. Honestly. But overall, my experience with these nails are very positive. I would recommend them to anyone. I actually got one of my friends to buy some. I hate to nail. I got one of my friends to buy some press-on nails, and she's definitely not a press-on nail type of girl, but we're gonna see. Okay, so if you guys try it, don't forget to let me know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the same as my YouTube name, which is Cat Eye Glamour. So that's CATEYGLAMOUR. So please follow me there so we can stay connected. I update pretty often on Instagram, of course, because it's so much easier. No editing, none of that. Just take a picture, take a video, post it. That's it. So make sure you guys are following me there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you tried these lashes. They were on sale at Ulta at 30% off. I don't know if that sale is still going on, but definitely check that out, because these press-on nails are the wave. Everyone is in the house, so they need to learn how to do things themselves. So this is the DIY era for sure. That's what this quarantine has done. We have learned to do things by ourselves, okay? Don't forget to like the video, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to come back. Bring your friends, that girl you don't like from work. Bring your cousin baby daddy. Bring all of them, because you don't want to piss me off. You need to subscribe. Don't piss me off. Not today. Not today. Bye, guys.